Welcome everybody, NFT IQ here, and I want to go over the top 5 Solana NFTs to buy and or hold through the crypto dip. And full disclosure, these are all projects that I've discussed and that I hold and I support. And I also want to mention that I am out of my studio currently. I'm on the road traveling, so I'm in an Airbnb with really bad light. I have a portable webcam, USB microphone, so I hope it turns out okay for everybody. But I just want to give that disclaimer. And last thing, thank you so much. We're almost up to 700 subscribers. I'm hoping to hit that 800 to 1,000 mark by the end of January and really start to gain some traction on this channel. So if you think my videos deserve more attention, be sure to help with the YouTube algorithm by hitting the like button, subscribe, bell notifications for time-sensitive updates. With that being said, let's dive right into what I think is going on with the market. And what I want to mention is even though Solana is way down from its all-time highs, we're down to $82 this morning, which is absolutely insane, down another 20% right now. What I'm noticing is that for all of the good NFT projects that I've been holding that are utility-based Solana NFT startups, these are holding their price in terms of absolute Solana value, which means obviously they're dipping in parallel in terms of US dollar value with Solana, but they are actually holding their Solana value, which I think is really a bullish sign, because if people were just trying to dump their NFTs and cash out their Solana for fiat and out of panic, then that process would have already started a couple days ago or even a week ago, and we would have seen NFT prices just absolutely plummet on these projects, and that hasn't happened. And that's why I want to go through this list, not just because I'm holding them, but because they're holding their prices steady. And I'm going to start by discussing Solluminati. So if you're not familiar with Solluminati, be sure to check out my tutorial video, and I will link a card so that you can check that out. The floor price has been steady since launch on these, right around 2 Solana. So if you're moving fiat in, you're basically getting a huge discount and getting it at a very stable floor price in terms of the Solana value. You can see the total volume of all time is really high for a Solana project, and that there's only about 200 of these listed. This gives you a lifetime subscription to the Solana NFT analytics platform of my personal choice. And compared to Nansen, it's like, Nansen's like $250 per month to get in on Ethereum analytics. But for Solluminati, you can get in for like $150 for a lifetime license. It's an absolute bargain. And I think you're crazy if you don't have one of these already. Next thing is Candy Cane, and I haven't done my tutorial video on Candy Cane yet, but the floor price has tanked on these. I think because there's some competitors, but if you're looking for a very simple tool for minting Solana NFTs, Candy Cane is worth checking out. And the floor price was like as high as 6 or 7 Solana a week or two ago, and now it's down to 1.5. Again, this is just a crazy bargain, not just for Solana prices, but just because the price has dropped. And it's still a very useful tool for finding NFTs to mint and then actually going through and doing the minting. Next one I want to mention is another NFT analytics tool called Solana Money Boys. I have not done my tutorial, but it's on my list to do this week. That will be in the Solana Q1 2022 tutorial playlist, and the floor price has been steady on these, right around 3 Solana, so you can get a good deal, and there's only 140 listed. You can see the volume has been good, and the average sale price was it hovers anywhere from like 3 to 4 Solana, so again, you're getting a killer bargain on these. Next, I want to mention Lifinity Flares. These have a very long-standing stable floor price between 4 Solana, I guess down to 3.75 now, but from 3.75 all the way up to like 7 Solana a couple weeks ago. And the reason that these are so steady and valuable is because this is a Solana-based startup that is a DeFi startup. They have created a liquidity pool by selling their NFTs, and they're going to have an IDO, and they're going to be issuing a utility token to holders of their NFT. Their startup is a liquidity pool that will that is designed to minimize impermanent loss. They have some innovations in the trading algorithms for balancing their prices in their liquidity pool. And I think that this startup is going to be getting a lot of attention in the coming months as they launch their IDO, as they start to get more investors and grow their liquidity pool, and as we see how their algorithms actually play out. So I think that these are a strong pickup, and the artwork is actually really cool on these. It's animated, and I like the kind of glowing nature of the artwork. So honestly, check this one out. I also want to mention Relics Lab. If you do a lot of NFT minting, this is probably the most comprehensive tool at the moment. I did a tutorial about this one a couple days ago, and the floor price has been pretty steady right around that 3 Solana mark since they launched about a week ago. There's only 81 available, and the volume has been like pretty high on these for such a short period of time that they've been on the marketplace. So again, if you're into minting NFTs, you're going to want to see my tutorial video, and you can learn how to use this tool and consider picking one of these up. Last, I have to circle back to Solluminati because I'm such a fanboy, but this one isn't just Solluminati. This is Solluminati the Eye. So this is for like the most elite Solluminati members like myself. I'm a proud holder of the Eye. And in my opinion, this is an absolute blue chip sleeper on Solana because the Solluminati, the Eye, there's only 666 of these available. They've launched a staking mechanism that brought the floor price up from about 6 Solana all the way up to above 20 last week, and now we're sitting right around 15. There's only 20 of these available, and because they're launching that staking platform, these are going to become increasingly scarce. The other thing about this is once you stake these, you're going to be receiving payouts from the Solluminati team for services that they're offering to other NFT startups. So they're actually making a NFT staking as a service. So other NFT projects can actually build a staking system using the Solluminati tool that they're developing. And some of the money going through that system is going to be paid out to holders of the Eye. Not to mention the Alpha group, where I've met some of the smartest people in the Solana NFT world, plus the airdrops that I've gotten and all of the other perks of the Eye. Honestly, if you can afford to get one of these, this is a huge pickup. Not financial advice, but I might be getting another one if some of my flips over on Ethereum go well this week. So thanks everybody for being here. Again, hit that like button, subscribe, bell notification for time-sensitive updates. If you think my videos deserve more attention, share them with your friends. I'm really trying to grow this channel and build a stronger community of NFT investors who think independently and who are critical thinkers and able to invest in good NFT projects. That's really what I'm trying to build here. We're almost up to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video.